पीठिका आदर्शगुणाः इति पद्यभागः आदिकविना वाल्मीकिमहर्षिणा प्रणीतात् आदिकाव्यम् इति प्रसिद्धात् रामायण महाकाव्यात् उद्धृतः। भागोऽयं बालकाण्ड अयोध्याकाण्ड अरण्यकाण्डेभ्यः संगृहीतः। सप्तकाण्डैः चतुर्विंशतिसङ्ख्यः श्लोकैश्च श्रीरामस्य चरितनिबद्धमस्ति। काव्यं दः जीवनमौल्यानि मानवसम्बन्धसूक्ष्मांश्च कान्तसम्मित्य बोध्यति तान् गुणान् अनुकर्तुं प्रेरयति च। साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् इति महर्षिः वाल्मीकिः नारदमहर्षिं पृच्छति। तदा नारदः श्रीरामस्य चरितं कथयति। तदनु वाल्मीकिः स्वीये रामायणे श्रीरामस्य आदर्शगुणान् बहुप्रकारेण वर्णयति। तथा अरण्यकाण्डे राक्षसः मारीचोऽपि रावणस्य सम्मुखे श्रीरामस्य गुणान् कीर्तयति। तेषु केचन श्लोकाः अत्र संगृहीताः। This section, Adarsh Guna, is taken from the Ramayana, written by the sage Valmiki, who was known as the first poet Adikavi. It is collected from the Balakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, and Aranya Kanda. The Ramayana contains 7 kandas and about 24,000 verses describing the life story of Lord Rama. It is also considered a historical epic. This poem teaches us important life values and the subtle aspects of human relationships in a beautiful way and motivates us to follow those good qualities. Once, sage Valmiki asks Narada, who was the most virtuous and powerful person in this world? Narada then narrates the story of Lord Rama. After that, Valmiki describes the ideal qualities of Rama in many ways in his Ramayana. In the Aranyakanda, even the demon Maricha praises the qualities of Rama in front of Ravana. Some of those verses are included here. Ikshvakuvansha Prabhavo Ramo Nam Janaya Shruta. Rama, born in the Ikshvaku dynasty, is well known among people. Niyatatma Mahaviryo Dyutiman Dhritiman Vashi. 1. He is self-controlled, very brave, radiant, patient, and has control over his senses. Vagmi Shriman Shatruni Barhana. He is intelligent, righteous, eloquent, prosperous, and destroyer of enemies. Vipulanso Mahabahu Kambugrivo Mahanu. Though he has broad shoulders, long arms, a conch-shaped neck, and a strong jaw. Dharmagya Satyasandhascha Prajana Chahite Rata. He knows dharma, is truthful, and is devoted to the welfare of people. Yashasvi Gyansampana Shuchirvashya Samadhiman. Team. He is famous, knowledgeable, pure, self-controlled, and focused. Rakshita Swasya Dharmasya Swajnasya Cha Rakshita. He protects his dharma and his people. Vedvedanga Tattvagyo Dhanurvede Cha Nishtita. 4. He knows the Vedas and Vedangas and is skilled in archery. Sarvashastrartha Tattvagya. He understands all scriptures, has good memory, and is talented. Sarvalokpriya Sadhurdinatma Vichakshana. 5. He is loved by all, virtuous, strong-minded, and wise. Sarvadabhigata Saddhi Samudriv Sindhubhi. He is always surrounded by good people, like rivers flowing into the ocean. Arya Sarvasamashchev Sadaiv Priyadarshana. 6. He is noble, treats everyone equally, and is always pleasant to see. Dhandain Samastyane Satye Dharmivapara. In giving, he is like Kubera, in truth, like Dharma. Tameva Gunsampan Rama Satyaprakramam. 7. Such a Rama, full of virtues, is truly brave. Prajasukhatve Chandrasya Vasudhaya Kshamagunaya. He gives happiness like the moon and is patient like the earth. Buddhya Brihaspatestulyo Virye Sakshat Chipte. 8. In wisdom, like Brihaspati, in strength, like Indra. Mridushcha Sthirchittascha Sadabhavyon Suyaka. He is gentle, steady-minded, noble, and free from jealousy. Priyavadi cha bhutana satyavadi cha raghava. 9. He speaks kindly to all and always speaks the truth. Devasur manushyana sarvastreshu visharda. He is skilled in all weapons known to gods, demons, and humans. Samyagvidyavrtasnato. Thus, he has completed his education properly and knows the Vedas fully. Yada vrajati. Sangrama gramarthe nagarasyava. When he goes to battle for a village or city. Gatva Saumitra Sahito Navijitya Nivartte. He never returns without victory along with Lakshmana. Sangramat Punragamya Kunjaren Rathenva. 11. After battle, he returns on an elephant or chariot. Paran Swajnavan Nityam Kushalam Pariprachati. He cares for citizens like his own family. Putreshvagnishu Dareshu Preshya Shishya Ganeshu Cha. 12. He takes care of sons, rituals, wife, servants, and students. Smith Purvabhibhashi Cha Dharma Sarvatmanashrita. He speaks with a smile and fully follows Dharma. Samyagyokta Shreyasa Cha Na Vigrihya Katharuchi. 13. He speaks good words properly and avoids conflict. Ramo Lokabhiramoyam Shaurya Virya Prakramaya. Rama is loved by the world for his bravery. Prajapalna Sayukto Na Rago Pahtendriya. 14. He protects people and is not controlled by desires. Ramo Vigrahvan Dharma Sadhu Satya Prakrama. Rama is the embodiment of Dharma, virtuous and truly brave. Raja Sarvasya Lokasya Devanamiv Vasava. 15. He is the king of all, like Indra among gods.
Dear students, if you found this lesson helpful, please share the video with your friends so they can learn too. Subscribe to our channel for simple, clear, and complete explanations of every lesson in an easy-to-understand way. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your feedback. Your support inspires us to create more quality educational videos. Keep learning and build your confidence every day. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get instant updates on our latest lessons.